Hey guys, we're live at 9:32. I got 50 spots right here that I'm going to copy on the way up. We're battling for Gary's Oliver light green Hong Kong Fett. He's a peach. Check him out. Very nice. I'm going to go over here to random and take our 50 entries. As you can see, paste them in here. There they be. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least 5, as you know. We got a 6. So we're in great shape. Get her going. Good luck, guys. Nice looking figure. Spencer Myers takes round 1, number 28. Steve, round 2. And round 3. Eric takes round 4. Spencer again on top for our next to last round, round 5, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys and gals. Here we go. And our winner is Matt Sparks. And at number 19. Congratulations, Matt. Here's the verification code. MZT Nug. There it is. Matt, and at number 19 is the champ. I'm done. 9:34. As seen here. There you go. Again, here's the winner, Matt, and at number 19. Congratulations. See you guys. Thanks.